Today we got a video from Crime Time Cam, and the title of the video is Routine Stop Goes South When Police Discover This Mother and Son's Secret.
On December 8th, 2023, officers conducted a traffic stop on a vehicle with expired registration.
I'm gonna have you hop out real quick, okay? And step back here. Step right back here, okay? That's good, right here. Do you have any weapons on you?
No.
Okay. I'm just gonna check you real quick, okay? Stay still. Nothing there. Okay, right over here. I'm gonna get your name and stuff, okay? Okay, you're suspended?
Yeah, and I don't want to lose my cards.
Hey, if all it is a suspended license?
It is, and that's all that it is.
Does she have a valid license?
No, she don't, not right now. But I could get somebody to come and take it. I don't want to lose it.
Listen, I get it. If that's all it is,
yeah, that's all it is.
Then I'm not gonna take you to jail. I'm not gonna tow your car.
Okay,
if that's all it is, okay?
I appreciate that, and that's all that is.
I'm gonna get some information coming from my dispatch and stuff, and if that's all it is.
All right, I'm letting you know, I'm being honest with you, and I don't want to lose my car.
Listen, man, I'm not out here to take people's stuff away from them. I have a job to do.
Yeah, I understand it. That's why I'm being honest with you up front.
And honestly goes a long way with me. Okay?
Yeah, well, honestly, we gonna need to search this vehicle. Okay.
Real quick, okay?
She says immediately when you got him out, do you have to pat me down?
You don't pat me down?
Do you have anything illegal on you?
No. No.
Do you have anything illegal in the car? Can you flip your pockets inside out?
You're going to Wilmington. Visit a sister or mom?
I know. Wilmington, we just came from there.
What?
We just came from Morris.
And
now
you're
we're
going to Wilmington.
Yeah, to where
Okay.
we live.
Okay, step back here with them, please. He gave me consent. I think it's there's something she's on crack a little bit.
Yeah,
but
look, she showed me her ID, and she used to be a big girl. Now she's nothing.
the way they were driving it, I look in and there's a bunch of stuff in here. I'm like, oh, did they just do a theft at Walmart? And they're from Chicago Heights.
She's not nervous.
No, he is.
But she's like,
I'm just gonna check it real quick and. Okay, come here for a second. I want to talk to you. Okay. So, in your purse, there's a blue straw full of white powder. Do you snort stuff? Look up at the sky. Just tell me the truth.
I have.
You have.
In the past.
In the past. When's the last time you used it?
Weeks ago.
Here's what I'm going to tell you. If you have something hidden on you, let me finish. If you have something hidden on you and you're honest with me about it, we can talk about it. If my female officer gets here and she finds something on you, we're not going to talk about it at all, and we're going to go to jail.
Yes.
Do you have something hidden on you? Because I do not believe you.
I know, so I do not. I'm 60 years old.
number two, what am I going to...
I'm sorry.
If I go back to Walmart and check all the video surveillance and all that, now I can take care of this before we find out.
Yeah.
If we return stuff, what did you take that you didn't pay for from Walmart?
I didn't take Woody's Honda.
Did you take anything that you didn't pay for at Walmart?
No.
Before I go back and check the surveillance video?
No.
Honestly, because I can sort this out before you were to get...
I'm going to go find the receipt.
Before you were...
Who bought it? Her or him?
No. It's all stolen? Yeah, there's no receipt.
He's pissed. The son is pissed. He looked at his mom like, yeah, what you doing?
Just get the tag. Turn around.
Where's the receipts at, man?
Give me your hands.
Come on, I didn't buy those.
We know.
I know. You stole them.
I'm just going to detain you for right now, okay? You're not under arrest. Seriously? You're not under arrest. Listen. You're not under arrest, okay?
Listen here. You're not under arrest. I gotta read this shit. If you're honest.
My cigarettes are in my other purse.
Where is
Dude, you gotta back away from me, really. I'm really claustrophobic.
Okay.
Why all on me? All on me.
Come here.
And I said,
I'll walk out.
Listen.
Oh,
Listen,
I
stop.
walked out in the wrong road. I'm
Listen.
gone. I didn't do shit.
Yeah.
Leave
Listen.
me alone.
I'm going to read you something, okay?
Yes.
If you talk to me about that stuff, and if any of it is stolen, if you didn't pay for it, I can talk to Walmart about just returning it and not pressing charges on you guys. Did you steal it?
Just the thing in the back in the box. I don't even...
And a watch?
No!
I can't understand you.
I need a light. I'm having a nervous breakdown.
Do you want an ambulance?
No. No. I just want light for my cigarette, please. Please.
There's one right,
No.
right? Oh, that's not a lighter.
No. I am
I
not.
might have to go get one out of the car.
I am not.
So,
Yeah, you gotta leave me alone for a minute or two.
oh yeah, they stole him probably everything in there.
No, we did not.
Where's the receipt?
No.
Where's the receipt?
Don't go there like we're some kind
Have you ever been arrested? Have you ever been arrested for stealing stuff? Okay. So you're a thief.
can you give me a CQ on both subjects?
Do you have the receipt? Yes or no?
What gives you the right to judge me?
Do you have the receipt?
What
Yes or
are you Florida?
What do you mean to judge you? I mean, can people change? Sure. Can people change? Sure. You know, you young, dumb, you know, you do something messed up. Okay. Can you change? Sure you can. But what are people supposed to think when you're doing the exact same thing that you were doing before? You have a history of stealing. And guess what? You're still stealing. So you're a thief. That's not, that's what it is. Don't get mad because the truth hurts.
not? Okay. Do you have the receipt or not? Do you have the receipt?
Out of my face.
Now you're going. Because she's a thief.
I got ankles.
Stop.
I got
Stop.
ankles.
Now you're under arrest.
Why are you
just
acting
kicked
like that?
You just kicked me.
Don't
Kick people. You don't get to kick me.
Yeah.
Stop. Sorry. Quit kicking.
You tell him I am full of
Well, you kicking a man to it.
You just kicked me.
That's not bad. Or are you going to be honest now and tell me that you didn't pay for it all?
We didn't pay for it. I didn't pay for it.
Okay, so you stole it. Okay, thank you for being honest. That's all I was trying to get out of you. I didn't. Maybe I came off a little rude the first time.
You
but,
did.
And I apologize for that. But you can't sit there and start throwing. What's that?
Everybody.
What?
Everybody is judging.
But here's the thing. Ma'am, was I wrong?
We got a job to do. Out of the car is stolen. All that stuff from Walmart.
This bag.
What bag?
Back seat.
The back seat is all the big boxes.
I think so, yes.
So did
These
you
are
both do it?
really bad.
Okay. Hold
I
on.
walked out with it. These are, I'm full
Was he
of
in there with you?
titanium. I'm full of titanium.
Okay. Was he in there with you?
And I walked out with it.
But was he in there with
He
you?
was in there earlier and I walked out with it.
You walked out with him.
Yes.
Okay.
And I get the penalty and I go to jail, right?
And he didn't steal anything? No? Well, he's still going to go to jail for suspended.
All of it?
So what happened?
She says, hold on. Yeah, she says it's all hers. She walked out.
Okay. You're Dorothy, right?
Yeah, but he's going for suspended too. Joe, you're really going to let her take the fall for all this?
I didn't do nothing, man. I'm telling
She
you.
wanted them tools? Or you wanted them tools?
I don't want it. Man, I get honest with you for the jump.
So, and I'm trying to give you a chance, and I'm being honest with you. So right now you're going to jail for a suspended license.
I thought you weren't going to do that.
And I said it.
Which that is messed up. That is messed up.
This for the investigation.
This also.
So then they're going to tow my car?
Hold on, because I do want to see what the cop said in the beginning, because he did say something along those lines. If that's all it is, yada, yada, you know. Let me see.
And that's all that it is.
Does she have a valid license?
No, she don't, not right now. But I could get somebody to come and take it. I don't want to lose it.
Listen, I get it. If that's all it is,
yeah, that's all it is.
then I'm not gonna take you to jail. I'm not gonna tow your car. Okay, if that's all it is.
Okay. And on his end, that is all it is, because she's taking the fall for it, which we all know that they both did it. But I'm just saying. You know, hey, as a man, all you got is your word. You know what I mean? So,
I'm gonna do that.
I said it.
You're getting held for the investigation.
This also.
So then they're gonna tow my car?
Go ahead. Yeah.
Can I just follow?
So. Yeah, definitely.
Hey, look, you were gonna be detained, and this car was gonna be towed, no matter what.
He said that.
Yeah, well,
that was before we knew that all this was stolen.
He said no matter what.
That was before all this was
Okay,
stolen.
then let's go. Let's go.
So do you want to talk to me or no?
No, I ain't talking
No?
nothing.
Okay.
Let's go.
That's right. No.
You're gonna sit right here. That's what you do. Tow the like you both want to do. Tow it.
You need to relax.
The only thing I got in life is that right there. You're gonna tow it, and you said you want it.
Don't be stealing shit from Walmart.
Hey, did I steal it? Did you see me steal it? Did I take it?
Driving her around.
Did you buy
Did I
anything?
steal it?
Did you buy anything? Did you listen,
You know
Joe?
what?
Talk to me.
No, I ain't talking nothing. I ain't saying nothing. Do
Okay,
your
can you put
homework.
him in your car?
Put me in the homework. You're gonna tow my car anyways. I lost it, so what's the difference?
Settle down, man. Before you catch,
Can you get my phone?
something else.
Can you get
Yeah,
my
I
phone
will.
out of there before they tow it out?
Settle down before you catch
What am
another
I gonna
charge.
catch? For what? Running, telling you that just take me to jail? Because you guys take my car and you said you want it? Hey.
Both individuals were charged with retail theft, while the woman was also charged with resisting arrest. Thanks for watching today.
Oh, so they did charge him with retail theft. Okay. Well, see, yeah, my take on it is that if you weren't going to charge him with retail theft, then yeah, you should have honored your word. You know, if you just going to take him for the ID or for the no driver's license, you said you wouldn't. Because she's doing all the stealing. Like, that's how it came off. But no, if you're going to charge him with retail theft as well, which rightfully so he should, he's a part of it. Like, we're not stupid. But that's not the point. It's not about our feelings and what we think. It's about what you can prove. And if you can prove that he was a part of it, then that's, hey, it is what it is. Tow the shit. And yeah, stop stealing. And that's why I hit her in the chest. Oh, you're a thief. That hit her in the soul. She felt that. You know what I'm saying? Because it's true. And the truth hurts, man.